What's up, my friends across the world? I appreciate you watching this video. Do me a favor and share it whenever you finish because the people on your timeline may benefit from it also. Let's use this example. Let's say you are a father or you are a mother, all right? So you're a parent and you have two children. You have BB and you have DD, all right? BB and DD, those are your only two children. Stay with me now, BB and DD. BB is real appreciative. You'll wake up in the morning, you'll cook BB some eggs, some toast, some hash browns, a muffin, some milk, whatever BB needs. And BB's like, thank you, parent. Thank you, my parent. You know, you go to work every single day so that you can come back and provide for me. I really appreciate this meal. Thank you very much. And they don't sit down and nag and complain whenever they eat their meal. They are very appreciative, all right? Now, on the other hand, you have DD. And DD is looking at the meal like, you know what, man? I really want some tater tots. You know, I would rather tater tots instead of this meal. Can you please give me some tater tots? Or, you know, I want some orange juice instead of this milk. This milk, it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of warm. I don't really like warm milk. Can you do all that for me? Oh, and by the way, can you give me some more ketchup on your way back? Now, these are two different people. You have an appreciative one, and you have one who is just asking for more, who's never really satisfied, okay? In this example, let's relate it to this. God and his two children. God is going to bless the one who is faithful in the small things, meaning that when he gives you something, you stop complaining. You make the most of it. You thank you, Lord. I appreciate this. All right. You make the most of it. You don't sit there and everything God gives you, you just throw it away like, oh, God, give me something better. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Who do you think God is going to keep blessing more? The one who's appreciative or the one who's throwing away every single blessing because they want some tater tots? All right. So let's get busy understanding that we all are given blessings. We all need to worry about making the most of what we have. God gave you what you have for a reason. Don't be like DD over here and keep asking for tater tots when it's clear you got some cheese grits on your table. Get to eating and be thankful. All right? Let me ask you a question. Which child would you help out more? The one who's grateful or the one who's not grateful? You will go above and beyond for the child that is grateful. All right? So let's get back to our own understanding and realize we have to appreciate. It's very, very important. Stop looking across the table at what the next man got and saying, I need that. I don't like none of my stuff. I need what he has. Keep your eyes on your food. All right? I appreciate you watching this video. Do me a favor. Take 2 seconds and share it because somebody else may need to hear it. Because there's some people on your timeline. They got a big plate, strawberries, bananas. They got everything you can imagine. But they're just throwing it off the table. Like, no, God, give me this. God, give me this. God, give me this. God, give me this. They're never taking time to really appreciate and thank the Lord for what they have. And he will bless them with more. All right? I love y'all, man. Make sure you add me as a friend. Daily videos.